Hey everyone, it is Friday, May 6th. The time right now is 5 p.m. and I'm here at the intersection of Queen Street West and University Avenue. And there's a look north up University. And a look over at the Four Seasons Center for the Performing Arts. And for this one, I'll be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to walk south here and take a walk around that tall tower straight ahead. Then I'll find my way into that building and I'll head on up to one of the rooms and we'll take a look around. So that would be the Shangri-La Hotel. And that's a luxury hotel and condo residence here in the city. And I have a friend who's staying there this weekend and they just checked in. And they know I've done some hotel walks in this channel, so they offered me the chance to go in and take a look. Never been to that particular hotel before. And I think that's actually the Ritz-Carlton. Or maybe that's the RBC Tower. It's one of the two, just in front of the CN Tower there. There's the Hilton. There's also a Sheraton Hotel just to the northeast of here. And you can access the hotel either from University Avenue here or from Simcoe Street. I'm just going to head over to Simcoe Street and we'll walk around the hotel that way. And there's 202 guest rooms and suites within the hotel. And there's 393 condo units. So this here is Richmond Street. And the condos are located in the upper portion of the building. So this is south on Simcoe Street, and just up ahead is Adelaide. And the entrance to the hotel will just be up here on the left. And I'll be going around a part of town known as Bishop's Block. That was a series of row homes dating back to the 1830s. That's where the hotel is now located. So if you were driving, this is where you'd enter. There's actually, I think, an 8th-floor parking garage underneath the hotel here. And this is the only surviving building from Bishop's Block. Although in 2007 they disassembled this building and they rebuilt it and incorporated it into the hotel. So it's not entirely original. And I think it was previously the Pretzel Tavern. And at one time it was home to one of the earliest hotels in the city. They actually did a pretty good job of the reconstruction or reassembly. It was kind of a dilapidated, vacant building. It had been vacant since the 80s. So I think it's one of those rare cases of preserving a facade done right. There it is, among the oldest buildings in downtown Toronto. But prior to the Shangri-La being built here, this was a parking lot. And there was an excavation done We found something to the tune of 70,000 artifacts on this site. And there's a look along one of my favorite skyscraper canyons. And I just walked around the building. In fact, the only hotel I think that could be considered a luxury hotel in the city that I've been to would be the King Edward. According to TripAdvisor, this is the third highest rated. And a night will set you back just over $800 right now.
And a Levi t-shirt there.
Although my friend said they were using a discount code that they had access to. I think through some professional association. There's Momofuku. I've been there a number of times, and they make surprisingly good and affordable ramen, actually. It's a really nice atmosphere. So we are going up to room 1503. That's providing I can find my way into the hotel from here. And the building itself is 200 meters or 702 feet. I tried to access the pool and spa area, but you do have to sign in, and they ask you what your room number is. So we're just going to be going in and checking out the room. It's quite opulent in here. That piano was being played the last time I came through. And the check-in area, I think, is just up here. And we are going to 15. So I'm not a guest here. So I just kind of walked through that lobby area a little quickly in case I got questioned. But let's just go check out the room. And after this, I'll be heading home, walking the dog I'm babysitting, and then doing a live stream. So the floors are quite nice. I am going to this room. Nope, that's 1501. I'm heading to 1503. So let's see what $800 gets you. There's a closet here, a safe, some robes, an ironing board. Take my backpack off. And I said I'd leave the card on the night table, so I'll just leave that there. I heard some people talking in the hallway. I thought that might have been my friend coming. There's the bed. So it's a rather small room. You get a pretty nice view. There's First Canadian Place where I used to work. Apparently for an extra $50, you can get a room with a much better view. There's the Hilton. And I did not know it had an outdoor pool right there. So just below me is University Avenue. And just south of here is St. Andrew subway station, literally just to the south, and just to the north is Osgood Station, so it's well located for transit. Although I'm not sure if the people staying here are too concerned about that. A remote with in-room entertainment. I don't see a mini fridge anywhere. And there's an iPad. And this is always good, a place to plug into the TV through HDMI. There's some controls by the bed. Master, these are just lights, I guess. Drapes. Oh, look at that. So I can't speak to the booking experience or the check-in experience, but the room itself is pretty good. Let's reopen those. And I'll just sit down on the bed. Ooh, surprisingly firm. Maybe there's a fridge here. There we go. A little coffee maker. And of course, the bathroom. And there's something really cool in this bathroom. Cool or useless, but there's a TV in the mirror. And you have a shower. Water pressure is very important to me. I'm guessing this one here activates the top. Is there a mode where we can get both waters going in between? Nope, it's one or the other apparently. That's kind of disappointing. I'd prefer more of a rainfall shower setup. Oh, the soaker tub. And I think we all know what goes on in there. And that is about that. Would I pay $800 to stay here? No. Would I pay $400? Probably not. But we are in Canada's largest city. I can't really blame those who have the means to stay at these places who do so. But anyways, there we go. It's not a room review by any means, or even a hotel. I wouldn't even call it a hotel tour, really. I just walked around the building, didn't check out any facilities and came up here, but I thought it would be neat to check it out. Maybe one day I'll get to stay here and I'll give it a proper review, but there we go. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below if you wish to support the channel. There's links to my YouTube channel membership and Patreon membership. I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides, And there's a super thanks button now appearing underneath the videos. All right, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.